If you're looking for an interior cleaner that's not gonna leave a bunch of residue that attracts more dirt and grime, well, I'm gonna show you how to use Undrdog Interior Cleaner right after this. So when we do interior cleanings, I like to use a lighter colored microfiber or a Scrub Ninja pad. And what that does is prevent any dye transfer on a lighter color interior. Now, it's not gonna be an issue on this car because it's a darker interior, but it's always good practice to use a lighter color towel, especially if it's a lighter cloth. You may leave a stain if you use darker towels. So for most stains, we're gonna just spray the interior cleaner directly onto the the towel or the sponge, and wipe off the dash or the leather. Now, if you have a more stubborn stain, you can always spray it directly on to the stain itself and then scrub it for a little bit of extra cleaning power. Now, just a slight note, if you're using this on leather seats, dilute it 50-50 and also avoid using interior cleaner on any really delicate parts. We haven't come across any issues yet, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. All right, so I like to use the Scrub Ninja from Auto Fiber on steering wheels and other areas that accumulate a lot of grease and dirt and grime from our hands. And I'm gonna show you how well this cleans, because you're gonna be able to see this. What was once a white side of the pad is gonna be dirty with all the accumulated grime from a steering wheel. And this is a gentle scrubber, so we don't want to use anything too aggressive. This is actually like firm but gentle, so it gets a good cleaning power but without damaging. And you see it's got a lot of grime off using the interior cleaner. And then just like any other part of the car, once we're done cleaning, we're going to wipe it down with a towel. We don't want to leave any residue behind. Combos are great for any location where you might have your arm resting or your hands resting, because you're going to get the most dirt and sweat and grime accumulation in those areas. So if you thought we only did exterior coating and cleaning products, you would be wrong. Check out the interior detailer from Undrdog.